If you start a YouTube channel today, will it actually make you money in 2026? Not just views, not just subscribers, I mean real money. Because the truth is this, some niches will stress you, give you plenty views, and at the end of the day, YouTube will pay you peanuts. While some other niches, you might get little views, but the amount YouTube pays you will be very big money. Now, here's the interesting part. I made a video like this for 2025, but as we all know, things change because what worked last year might not work this year. I mean, new things come out, trends come out, and YouTube itself keeps changing. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 profitable niches that you can still start in 2026. Whether you're a complete beginner or you already have a YouTube channel, but you want to switch niche or you want to start a new YouTube channel aside the other one you have, or you're just tired of posting and not seeing money. This video is for you. Everything I'll be sharing in this video, I'll be breaking them down in simple terms so you will not get confused. And at the end of this video, you get to pick the right niche for you. I'll be telling you what each niche is, how people create videos in that niche, the apps you can use even with just your phone, and most importantly, the estimated RPM for these niches. If you don't know what RPM means, on YouTube here, there's what we call CPM and RPM. CPM simply means cost per mille, and it actually means the amount advertisers pays your video per 1,000 views. Then RPM is revenue per mille, which means the actual amount that YouTube pays you after removing their share. And in most cases, YouTube will always deduct 45% of your money before actually calculating your own revenue. So your RPM is the actual amount YouTube pays you. Now, before I go into the video, let me clearly state this. There is no magic niche. You still need consistency, you still need patience, and you also need sense. But choosing a right niche gives you a better chance of making money faster. Now, let's get into it. The first niche on my list is AI and automation channels. This one is very hot right now. If you don't know what this means, let me explain it like this. These are YouTube channels where you don't show your face. You use AI to generate your images or videos. You add a voice. It can either be your own voice or you can use AI as well. And you tell a story. Very simple, right? I always think of this niche as a cartoon storytelling, but now it's for adults and kids. Examples of channels in this niche are African folktales, bedtime stories, prayer channels, history stories, motivational stories, and fictional stories. Now, why is this niche profitable? There are two main reasons, and I'm going to explain it to you. Reason number one is that AI is expensive for advertisers. What do I mean by this? Anything related to AI attracts big companies, and big companies pay more money for ads. That alone increases your RPM. The second reason is that the videos in this niche are usually long. Most storytelling videos are usually 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or even 30 minutes long. And we all know that here on YouTube, the longer your video is, the more ads YouTube can put inside it, which means more ads, more money. Now, let's talk about the tools you need to create these videos. The first tool you need is a story generator, just like ChatGPT or any AI writing tool. You need is to generate your scripts. The second thing you need is a voiceover tool. You can use your own voice or you can use an AI app like 11 Labs. Anyone that works for you is fine. The third tool is an image or video generator. You can use ChatGPT because ChatGPT can generate images for you. You can use Image FX and use Grok AI, Leonardo AI, or any AI image generator of your choice. Now, the last tool you need is your video editing app. It can either be CapCut or InShot or any editing app of your choice. This is just to make the story, the images, the voice that you generated together. Then you're done editing your video. That's all you need. Now, let's talk about the reason why you actually clicked on this video, the estimated RPM for this niche. The estimated RPM for this niche is $4 to $8. I mean, that's a lot, right? For just 1,000 views, you can make up to $4 to $8. And the truth is that some channels even earn more than that. Because if your audience are from places like Canada, UK, or America, you are going to earn more than somebody that has audience from Nigeria or any other African country. And this niche is perfect for you if you don't want to show your face, if you like storytelling, and if you want long videos. And trust me, this particular niche is still going strong in 2026. So the second niche on my list is educational AI tutorials. This niche is even hotter than the first one I mentioned. And it's all about teaching people how to use AI. At this juncture, I think I have to say this. AI is not going anywhere anytime soon. Because I mean, every single day, new tools are coming out. People are confused. People are searching on YouTube. How do I use this? How do I create this with AI? So if you can teach how to use AI, you will definitely eat. I mean, you don't need to be a professor. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience. So if you know how to use AI to create videos, use AI to design, use AI to write, use AI to edit, then you can teach it. In this niche, you can decide to show your face or you can just do screen recordings only. That's all you need. What actually works? Why is this niche powerful? Why this niche is powerful is because you have high ad rates, brand deals, and sponsorships. Because companies that build AI tools will pay you to talk about their products. The estimated RPM for this niche is $4 to $15. And the RPM also depends on how long it is, the country your viewers are watching from, and how serious your content is. The third niche on my list is tech reviews. This particular niche has been here since forever and it's not dying soon. I mean, we keep seeing different sides and inventions of technology. So, reviews for phones, gadgets, apps, cameras, laptops, anything tech is still selling. Many people always say, I don't have money to start tech review. And I'm not going to sit here and lie and say some tech gadgets are not expensive, yeah? But I'm going to show you the smart way to go about this if you are on a low budget. You can start with app reviews, phone features, comparisons, and tutorials. And this niche is good because every year, phone companies like Apple release new products. Even Samsung, Techno, just name it, they all release new phones yearly. And people will most likely rush to YouTube to check reviews and ask, is this phone good? Is it worth it? Should I buy it? And if they trust the reviews on your channel, they'll keep coming back to see what you have to say about new releases of phones, apps, and gadgets. Now, the estimated RPM for this niche is $5 to $15. Also, you can make money from affiliate marketing and brand deals. So this niche is evergreen because, like I said earlier, tech will never stop improving. The fourth niche on my list is finance niche. This particular niche scares people, and I don't know why. But sincerely, it shouldn't because finance is not only for big men. Finance is not only for big people. As long as you earn money, you spend money, you save money, you invest money, you can talk about finance. You can create content about simple money habits, saving tips, budgeting, beginner investing, and money mindset. I mean, with this niche, you can talk about your real life experiences. If you're going into this niche, you should talk more about your real life experiences. What I'm saying this is because I feel people relate more to someone learning than someone that is pretending to know everything. I mean, you can talk about mistakes you've made and what you're doing right now. The estimated RPM for this niche is $5 to $15. This niche pays well because advertisers love finance content and fintech apps, bank apps, investment apps may also reach out to you for sponsorship and branding. And as well, in this niche, you have to be very careful because YouTube is not playing with the finance niche, so to speak, especially if you are recommending investment apps to people. Always make sure you put a disclaimer in your description, your channel description, or your video description that your videos is only for educational purposes only. So that if somebody lost their money or loses their money in something they invested in, they might report your channel. But when YouTube goes through your channel and see that there's already a disclaimer, I think you'll probably be safe, hopefully. And most importantly, always make sure you recommend apps that are trustworthy and the ones you actually use. Don't just make videos because a brand reach out to you for sponsorship and then because of the money you're going to get from that sponsorship or advertisement, you now recommend something that will impact your audience finance negatively. No. If you're going into brand deals in this niche, make sure you vet the brand reaching out to you and make sure it is actually worth it before introducing your audience to those kind of brands. So the last niche on my list is health and fitness niche. This niche is very profitable. I know you don't need to be a doctor before you talk about health and fitness. You can talk about healthy living, diet tips, your daily routines, and fitness motivation. And the good thing about this niche as well is that you can either show your face or use AI visuals. Health content helps save lives, and YouTube knows that. So you grow fast, and the RPM for this niche is high as well. So the estimated RPM for this niche is $6 to $25. Yes, you heard that right. Some health videos with just 2K views make more money than an entertainment video with 30K views. So these are the 5 most profitable niches you can still start in 2026. And my advice for you will be that choose one and don't just jump around. And if you want me to go deep into a particular niche, show you example channels, and also show you how to create videos step by step, go to the comment section and type the niche that you want. I'll be picking the niche with the highest votes. And then we've come to the end of the video. And if this is your first time of seeing me, I'm Imole Ayo and I create content for creators. I teach beginners how to start their YouTube channel, how to grow on YouTube, edit with just their phone, and actually make money while doing it. And if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.